Yeah, hello everyone. So last class we have discussed the binary codes, that means weighted code and non-weighted codes. Okay, so that we have one remaining topic is error detection and error correction code that we'll discuss later. So before going to that, complements. The next topic is complement. So what is the complements? What are the types of complements in digitals? Okay, so basically complements are classified into two types. So it is a total digital, that is a number representation base. Okay, complements are classified into two types basically. So first one is the binary complements and another one is the decimal complement. Okay, so we know that binary, that is a representation of zeros and ones. Decimal, so the decimal number is, the decimal range is 0 to 9, the 10 is the base representation. So we already discussed BCD. What is a BCD? So BCD, binary coded decimal, the decimal numbers which are represented in a binary form, that is a BCD code. So at the time I already discussed what are the decimal number, what is the range of the decimal, how they are represented. Okay, now the coming complements are the binary complements and decimal complements. Again, binary complements are classified into two types. So that is a radix and diminished radix. Radix and diminished radix. Okay, radix and diminished radix, or we can consider as a ones complement, two's complement. These two are the binary complements, ones complement and two's complements. So when coming to the decimal, again we have two types. One is the nines complement and tens complement. Nines complement and tens complement. Okay, here the very important is binary complements. So in the decimal numbers we have direct subtraction. Suppose let us consider the decimal numbers which are 425, 384. So how to subtract these two numbers? We can subtract 8, 5 minus 4, 1. Here 8 minus 2, so we can take the borrow. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8, that is a 4. 41 is the output for this subtraction. Suppose in this case binary numbers, how to subtract the numbers? Suppose here just I am consider the binary numbers, just 1 0 1 1 0 1. Next 1, you can consider 0 1 1 0 1 0. How to subtract these two numbers? 1 minus 0, very good, 1. 0 minus 1, minus 1, or we can take the borrow from this. So borrow we can consider 10. 10 minus 1, that is a 9. So 9 is not a binary number. The number should be either 0 or 1. So then how to subtract the binary numbers? So this is the method to subtract the binary numbers, that is a ones complement and two's complement, that is a radix and diminished radix. So now we'll see how to subtract or how to convert the ones complement and two's complement. So first ones complement. Ones complement. Ones complement means can interchange zeros by 1, ones by zeros, interchanging the numbers by numbers. So 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0, 0 complement is 1, 1 complement is 0. Okay, so according to that, so what are the given numbers here, the subtraction numbers here, these two, let's time consider. Here it is 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so these are the given numbers to subtract by using the ones complement. Ones complement means zeros replaced by 1, 1 replaced by zeros. Okay, always these complements, always complements are applied for the negative number only. Okay, everyone should remain. Always the complement is applied for only negative numbers. Here which one is the negative number from these two? So this is the negative number. So we have to apply the complement for this number again add to this number. If you complement this, apply the complement this number. So again it is a, suppose this is a number, if you are apply the complement, either it is 1's complement or 2's complement, again it converted into negative. Okay, minus of minus 1's complement, then suppose this is a x, this is a y, x minus of 1's complement of y, then we'll get the x minus of minus y. So finally x plus y. So we know the binary addition, we don't know the binary subtraction. By using the complements, then we can subtract the binary numbers. Okay, x minus of minus y. Okay, why it's called minus y? 1's complement, then so by apply the complement for this number, then we'll get the negative number. Okay, again add to this number, then we'll get the subtraction. Okay, according to that, now we'll see. So that given number is this one. So what is the y here? Negative number is this one. So that is 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so what is the first 1's complement of this number? So both zeros and ones are interchanged. So here it is, 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0, again 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1, 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1. Okay, so this is the minus y, this is the y, this is the minus y. Now the method is, after that complement, x plus y. So that will get, x is given, so this is the x 1 0 1 1 0 1, and y is, so minus of minus y, that is a 1 0 0 1 0 1. 1 plus 1 0 here, 1 here, 0 0 1 1 here, 1 plus 1 0 1 here, 1 plus 1 0 1 here, 1 1 plus 1 0 here. So this is a 1 is the carry overflow, carry overflow. So here one note, important note, in 1's complement, in 1's complement, the carry overflow should add to the result of LSB position, result of LSB position. This carries add to this LSB position, that is 0 1 1 0 0 1. So this is the output for the given two number binary subtractions. So how to cross check this number? So according to the weighted positions, what is the decimal number of this number? 8421 16 32. Already discussed 32. Okay, already discussed this weighted codes. 8421 16 32. This is a 6-bit representation. So what is the decimal number? This number 32 plus 8 40, 40 plus 4 44 plus 1 45. Okay, next this is a 16 plus 8 24 plus 2 26. 45 minus 26, what is the number? 5 minus 6, can't get. 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6 means 9. Here bar is 1 left, that means 3 minus 2 1. 19 is the output. Is it 19? Again you can convert. 8421 16, 16 plus 2 18 plus 1, so this is a 19. Are you clear? 45 minus 26, so that is a 19. So this is the decimal subtraction. Now when you coming to the binary, so this is the procedure. 1's complement, again add to the first number or positive number. So then we'll get the, if we'll get the one carry overflow in 1's complement, that should be added to the resultant LSB position, then we'll get the original, that means we'll get the correct answer. So this is the 1's complement method. So the complements are used for, in binary the complements are used to subtraction. Okay, next 2's complement. 2's complement. Two's complement. So now here also we can consider that same numbers. Here x is equal, that means decimal is 45, 1 0 1 1 0 1, and y is 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, x is 45 in decimal, y is 26 in decimal. Okay, now by using the 2's complement. So 1's complement means both zeros and ones are interchanged. Okay, so next 2's complement is 1's complement plus 1. 1's complement plus 1. Okay, that is a 2's complement. Then how? Here we have to perform x minus y operation using 2's complement. Okay, using 2's complement. Now always the complement is applied for the negative number. Here which one is the negative number? Y is the negative one. What about y here? Y is equal to 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so what is the 2's complement? First 1's complement, then add, after then add 1. So for this 1's complement is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. 1s and 0s are interchanged. 0 replaced by 1, 1 replaced by 0, 0 replaced by 1, 1, 1 replaced by 0, 0, 0 replaced by 1. And add to the 1 for the 1's complement number. That is LSB position. So 1 plus 1, 0, here 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. So this is the 2's complement of y. Like same, x minus of 2's complement of y. Okay, then x plus y in 2's complement. So that is x is 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and y is, that means 2's complement of y is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 here, again 1 plus 1, 0, 1 here, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 0, 1 is the carry overflow. So that is a carry overflow. In 2's complement, we should add carry overflow to the resultant. In this, sorry, in 1's complement. 2's complement, no need to add that carry overflow to the resultant. That is the difference. Okay, because here 1's complement, 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. Here 1 is added. Here no need to add carry overflow to the resultant bit. Okay, so is it 19? Here 45 minus 26. That 19 is the answer. Here 8, 4, 2, 1, 16, 32. 16 plus 2, 18 plus 1, 19. Without adding the carry overflow, then we'll get the 19. In 1's complement, we should add the carry overflow to the resultant bit. Then we'll get the correct answer. Okay. In 2's complement, no need to add carry overflow to the resultant bit. So that is the difference, 1's complement and 2's complement. So 2's complement means 1's complement plus 1. Okay, 1's complement means both zeros and ones are interchanged. So these are the binary complements.